Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and check if our application is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store. Then search for Instagram. Tap onto your Instagram. If it shows open, it means your application is updated. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now once done, open up your settings application from your device. Here, scroll below until you find the option of apps. Then search for Instagram. Tap onto Instagram. Scroll below, tap on storage, then clear the cache. Once done, come back onto app info page, then tap on force stop on the bottom right corner, then tap OK. Now once you do so, restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If not, then the only solution is uninstalling your Instagram application that you have right now and again reinstalling it. So thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.